With precise temperature control from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in 5-degree increments, the One Top Pro gives you accurate, consistent results every time. It also offers 3 wattage settings: 700, 900, and 1500 watts, so you can match power to your environment and cooking needs. This is not just about power. It's also about control. Lower wattage helps maintain steady, gentle heat for delicate foods, while higher wattage delivers fast, intense heat for boiling, frying, and searing. Even at 700 watts, the unit maintains consistent heat, so you can cook without sudden temperature spikes. That matters most for sensitive ingredients like flaxseed. Flax seeds are notoriously easy to burn, and once burned, they have to be discarded. At lower wattage and the right temperature, heat stays gentle and controlled, allowing you to roast evenly without scorching. When you need speed, 1500 watts brings water to a boil quickly and handles high heat searing with ease. The result is better control, more flexibility, and consistently reliable cooking performance at any wattage.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.